Hey, what's up, y'all? How y'all doing? Hope everyone's doing well now that the weather is more manageable in California. But regardless, we still have to stay beautiful and good looking. So I'm happy to introduce Solati hair and beard trimmer. I like these a lot, and after the intro, I will tell you why. Like me, you probably seen quite a bit of ads on Facebook and Instagram for similar trimmers like the one I have here. But how good are they? Let's find out. Before we take a look at the trimmers, let me show you what comes in the box. We get a charge cable, proprietary to USB-A, a small brush to clean the clippers, three guide combs come in 1mm, 2mm, and 3mm, and a protective cap that goes between the body and the blades to protect the moving parts. Now for the trimmers. The one that I have came in a gold finish. I love the metal body design, the sharp titanium stainless steel zero gapped T-blades, a powerful heavy duty motor powered by a 1500 milliamp hour battery, which only takes 2 hours to charge, and trimmers can last up to 3 hours. More than enough time to complete your grooming needs. What I love about these clippers the most is the low noise operation, the LCD screen displaying the battery charge level, and on the bottom here we have a charge port. I have used these trimmers earlier to cut my hair. The only gripe that I have, hopefully I can remedy, they had a 0.5 guide comb. I would like to left a little bit more on top, but they did do an excellent job. I can say that. I already used them to line up my beard quite a bit, but I will give you a demonstration on trimming my beard. We're using the guide comb number 1. This shouldn't take off too much. These blades are very sharp, and the design of the trimmer makes it very easy to handle the trimmer. That is coming off, like I said. And there you have it. That fast. If you would like to pick up a pair for yourself, I will leave a link in the description. Thank you. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video useful. If so, subscribe, like, and share this video with anyone who could benefit. But if you feel that this video is not quite up to par, dislike this video, leave a comment letting me know what I did wrong. I really would like to hear from you. Also, you can follow me on the social medias. The links are in the description.